Hello, welcome to day 22 of 30 days of JavaScript, and let's start. By the way, do comment just to let me know, like, did you like this or not? If you like this, so that I can do similar challenges in other languages or maybe expand on this 30 days challenge to something else. So do let me know your interests. Okay, let's do. Write code that enhances all arrays such that you can call the array.last method on any array. Okay, so we just have to use a last method. Like I think in Ruby we do use it dot last, so it will give the last element. Dot second last, dot first, dot second, dot third, dot fourth, all those kind of things. So let's see this. Okay, if it is empty, it should be -1. So it's pretty straightforward actually. It's easy. This equal to null. I think this dot, this will give me the instance of the array. So let me check this actually. Console.log this. I might be confused here, but let me check this. I know the code in my, yeah, this is equals to this. So yeah, that's correct. So if this equal to null, or this dot length equal to 0, in either case, return, what was that? -1. Okay. Otherwise, return, what do we need? We need last element, right? So we need last element. This is the array. So from this dot length -1. This will be the last index, and this is the array. So combining this, we are getting the last item, and it should work. Submit. Until unless there is some edge case, but I think it should be fine. Beats 11% only. What's the best solution? Exactly same. No worries. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye.